What up? I'm back. I got some snacks tonight. We got the Boom Chicka Sweet and Salty, one of my favorite popcorns. Some cheddar, Junior Mints. These are actually my mom's favorites. Milk Duds, Whoppers, tamales, two different types of pistachios, regular and hot, water, and Gatorade. So let's first put some. I like to mix them. Oh, giving me a struggle today. So I tried to do a live stream earlier, and I'm not able to until I meet 1,000 subscribers. So right now we're working on that. That's actually for me to be able to do it on my mobile, and that's what I use right now is my mobile. If I had a PC or something like that, then it said I could go on live stream, but as of right now, I'm mobile. Struggling with this one right here. And then I forgot, also, if you're new to my channel, like, subscribe, share, comment below, give me ideas of what you want me to either talk about or eat, or if you have a challenge you want me to do. I'm into challenges. I also will start coming up. I like doing pranks. I'm going to start doing pranks on people. I'm going to do reviews on products as well. We actually just bought this hair dryer and we have to take it back. It sucked. So like I said, I'm new, so I'm learning as I go. You have even negative comments, things that I do or don't do. Put them down there. I'm not afraid to read them or hear them. I'm a big girl. Haven't had those in a long time. I wonder how chocolate and popcorn taste at the same time. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, mixes together really well. Not bad. You could make like a trail mix it all together. Chocolate and pistachios with mint. Tastes good. And I haven't forgot about you guys' request on burping the alphabet. I'm working on it, guys. It's not as easy as people make it sound. Need a napkin. Oh, thank you. It just flew into the table. So I did have a question. Some people had asked, they said that they wanted to know what my burps smelled like. That they wished that they could smell my burp after I burped. I was curious. Comment below and tell me where some of you guys are from. I'm just curious, like how far out away you are from me. Because I have thought about doing some type of meet and greet. But depending on where people are located, and there would be a fee that I would charge. So comment below, let me know where my fans are from. Where are they at? Sitting in their house watching me burp and fart. Let me know. I will say I'm in Cali, so you tell me that your state now. Let's try some hot tamales. I wonder if hot tamales would make me burp louder. I know certain foods, even candy that I eat, either gives you gas or gives you gas in your stomach or gives you gas in your bottom, makes you burp or fart. So, who has kids? What do y'all think about your kids going back to school or social distancing learning? Me personally, I think they shouldn't go back. I think some kids shouldn't go back to school, and I think some should. Because there are kids that are abused in school as their safe zone. Kids that don't get fed at home, and school they get fed 2 meals a day. But as for my kids, I'd rather have them home learning. It's bad enough that they can't even control or maintain head lice. How are you gonna control a kid to keep a mask on, not cough or sneeze in another kid's face? Let's see, what else can we add? Let's try some milk duds. Now that made me burp deeper, louder. So it's hot in my town right now. Is it hot where you live? I have a pool, so I'm lucky I can just jump right in, cool off. Do you have that same opportunity? All right, guys. Have a good night.